Welcome back, champions. This is Rise and Conquer channel. We unlock the mindset, discipline, and faith you need to rise higher and live with purpose. Tired of living small, tired of fear, tired of excuses, you're in the right place. 'Cause every week, we bring you powerful truths, strategies, and stories that will push you to become the person God created you to be. Now, let's dive into today's message. Thomas Edison once said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." The truth? Failure is not the end. Failure is feedback. Failure is a stepping stone to greatness. But here's the real danger: most people don't fail once, they fail, then stop trying. And that's where dreams die. The reality of failure. Everyone fails. Entrepreneurs fail at business ideas. Students fail at exams. Athletes fail at competitions. Parents fail sometimes in raising kids. But here's the good news: failure is never final unless you quit. John Maxwell calls it failing forward. That means you can use failure as fuel for your next attempt. 1. Walt Disney. Fired from a newspaper for lacking imagination. His first company went bankrupt. But he built an empire of creativity the world still enjoys today. 2. J.K. Rowling. Rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter was accepted. Now one of the best-selling authors in history. 3. Michael Jordan. Cut from his high school basketball team. Later became one of the greatest athletes the world has ever seen. He said, "I've failed over and over and over again in my life. And that is why I succeed." 4. Steve Jobs. Fired from Apple, the very company he created. Years later, he came back stronger, reshaping Apple into the global giant it is today. Failure didn't destroy them. It developed them. The dangers of fear of failure. It paralyzes you from taking risks. It makes you live safe but small. It turns mistakes into shame instead of lessons. The truth? Playing it safe is the fastest way to fail. Steps to bounce back stronger. 1. Redefine failure. Don't see it as defeat, see it as data. Ask, what can I learn from this? What's the lesson? 2. Take responsibility without shame. Own your mistakes, but don't identify with them. You failed at something, but you are not a failure. 3. Adjust, don't abandon. Failure often means your strategy needs adjustment, not that your dream is wrong. 4. Build resilience muscles. Like working out, every setback strengthens your inner capacity. The more you face, the tougher you become. 5. Surround yourself with encouragers. Great comebacks often happen because someone believed in you when you didn't believe in yourself. Imagine an entrepreneur who pours his savings into a business, but it collapses in the first year. The average person walks away bitter, swearing never to try again. But a resilient person looks at what went wrong: poor planning, lack of marketing, wrong partners. He learns. He pivots. On his next attempt, he applies the lessons. That's how most successful entrepreneurs you admire today built their empires, not from smooth paths, but from scarred lessons. Nelson Mandela, "I never lose. I either win or learn." Henry Ford, "Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently." John Maxwell, "The difference between average people and achieving people is their perception of and response to failure." Practical challenge. Think about your last failure, personal, financial, or relational. 1. Write down what went wrong. 2. Extract 3 lessons from it. 3. Decide one action step to apply those lessons this week.
Remember this: motivation gets you started, but discipline keeps you going. Your greatness is not in the future, it's already inside you, waiting for you to act. If today's message spoke to you, don't just listen, take action. And if you found value, hit that like button, share this with someone who needs encouragement, and subscribe so you don't miss the next breakthrough. Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and live every day with purpose. God bless you.